Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Samaya and I'm back again with another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a couple different hairstyles in 5 minutes or less for 4C natural hair. And I know 4C hair can take a bit of time, but these are some quick hairstyles that you can do when you're in a rush. And so usually when I do these hairstyles, they're definitely on a stretched like twist out or braid out or something like that, so my hair is stretched. But in this video my hair is in a blowout, so I just wasn't putting so much tension with manipulating my hair so much. But let's just get straight in the video. So to start off, I've already moisturized my hair and I just used this little spray bottle. Then I used some, okay, there we go. So I'm just going to use this Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie to moisturize my hair. Use this Dew Grow Stimulating Hair Oil as well. Then I used what's left of my Carol's Daughter Black Vanilla Spray, and I need to get some more. So yeah, so that's what I did to just moisturize my hair. Okay, so the last thing I just want to say is my hair has been blow dried, but it's been a couple days. Really, nigga? So my hair has been blow dried, but it's been a couple days since then, so my hair is shrunken a little bit. So if you do have shorter hair, you might want to blow dry your hair to do some of these hairstyles, or you know, just do whatever your soul desires, you know, do what works for you. So yeah, let's just get into these hairstyles. The first hairstyle that I'm going to be doing is just a simple bun that I do all the time when my hair is stretched. So all I do is I just pull all my hair up into a bun, and most of the time I don't brush my hair because I try not to use brushes and stuff. But if I'm going for a slick look, then I'll probably do more of that. But if I'm doing just like an everyday bun for my hair, usually I don't do too much. So after this, I'm just gonna stop talking and do a voiceover. So
So for this first hairstyle, all I'm doing is adding these gold cuffs, and you can add whatever accessories you want. And yes, I know my bun is a little crooked, but I couldn't see what I was doing, so sorry about that. So for this hairstyle, I just have 2 big puffs with 2 braids, and all you have to do is just part your hair into 2 sections and just work in sections so it's a little more manageable when your hair's out the way. And then I triangle parted this front piece of my hair, and then I braided it down, and then I repeated the same thing to both sides. And then once I have the braids done, then I just take my ponytail holder and I put okay. Yeah, so I was struggling to readjust my camera because it had stopped on me. But yeah, so I just triangle part this section, braid it down, and then I put my hair, okay, something's in my mouth. Okay, great. Okay, moving on. So then I just take that, finish the braids, and then I do my ponytails how I want it, take a pic, flip it out. And then this is where you add any accessories that you would like to have. You can add a lot of things like string, and yeah, so that's that look. And another way to make this cute is you just simply take those same puffs and you put them in a bun. And it was just really easy to transition this hairstyle, and it's super cute and it makes it a little different. You can do a lot of stuff with this too. As you can see, I had these 2 little, I don't even know what they're called, but they're just little beads. That's the word I was looking for. So you're just going to add those into your hair, and that's the end of the look. I tried doing some little faux bangs, but it would have looked way better if I would have had like a fresh twist out. And I was frustrated because I was like, why didn't I think to do that for this look? But for this next hairstyle, I'm just doing some cute little flat twists in the front with 2 buns in the back. So all you have to do is section up this hair. For this hairstyle, I didn't fully part it because 1, that's a lot of work, and half the time I don't do that in real life because I don't have time. But once you braid it down, you just want to add some accessories, especially so the ends don't unravel at the bottom. And then for this next look, what you're going to do is you're just going to section out a piece in the front for a similar flat twist, and then you're gonna put the rest of your hair up in a bun. I detangled this one just so my flat twist would lay flatter on my head. So you're just going to do the same thing as you did in that last hairstyle. You're just gonna leave that there, repeat the same process by parting your hair out with your hands and then putting that hair away in a bun as well. And you just kind of repeat the same process for your hair. And this is a great hairstyle for transitioning hair, just so that your hair kind of looks together. As you can see, like the heat damage that I have with my hair, it kind of tucks that away so everything looks the same. And all you do is take your hair and fluff it out at the end. And I also took a pick with this, but if I had a twist out, I would just not do that. And that's the end of this look as well. So for this hairstyle, all you're gonna do is do the exact same thing and put it in a bun, and this is a great way to just give some variation to the looks that you like to do. So yep, that's the end of this look as well.
Okay guys, so you've made it to the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. So if you want to see more videos like this, make sure to like this video and leave a comment down below so I can do more videos like this as well. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!
Oh, trying to grab a bit. That black yo magic. That black yo magic. That black yo magic. That black yo magic.